Have you had trouble finding which stock to trade? Do you get stuck trading stocks like Bed Bath & Beyond, which is down 80%? Then you'll want to watch this video because it's going to go over a variety of other stocks that you can trade, which will actually make you more successful than the meme stocks that you have right now. BAER. If BAER stays above $7, in fact, that's where I want to buy this stock, then this stock can be a good buy. Why? Because it has consolidation, it has institutional support, meaning that this aerospace group, okay, it's called Bridger Aerospace Group, and this company has institutional support. So overnight, news happened. This thing has gapped up all the way to $12.45, which is a spike, by the way, and is right now consolidating at the $7 level. That's why this is so powerful, because if we can pick up this stock near $7, then it's likely to rally again, at least to the price targets that I have set. What are the price targets? Well, I have a few price targets. First is $7.90, which is about where the price is right now after hours. So after hours, the price actually fell to around $7.30, and then it rallied to $7.90. If we can pick it up tomorrow at about $7, then that's where we can get that secondary rally to that $7.90 level. And then if it pushes past $7.90, then we can sell at $8.67, $9.17, and possibly as much as $9.80. Okay, and I'm not expecting this thing to break $10 a second time, but we do have price history here where this candlestick, the high of this candlestick is $9.75, and so the price can reach that level again sometime in the future. Okay, this is just technical analysis 101. I do teach students how to trade stocks, and I have such an amazing track record for success that every single video that I've published over the past 3 weeks have been winning trades. So BAER is this could be a good trade right here. Okay, I want to buy this one around $7. I want to sell it before it hits $8, and I want to sell it possibly at around $9 if we can get that price. Okay, so there's a lot of movement on this stock, which means it's very strong as well. Okay, second stock is a stock called DNMR. Now, DNMR has gone up dramatically. Okay, it's up actually over 27%. So it was at $2 and it went to $2.66. So that's a huge increase, guys. And we're expecting this thing to rally again. Okay, so this stock, let me actually write the name on here so that you have it. So it's DNMR. DNMR, this is another pro stock, which we're going to trade tomorrow in our live group. We're going to go over exact buy and sell targets in the live group. But for right now, I want you guys to think about DNMR and how this stock, if it stays above $2.35 or so, then it can be a really good trade, because this thing could rally not just to $2.54, but also $2.67. And really, we can see this thing go as high as $2.85. And that's a measured move, because the stock has moved up that much in the past and it's held that level. And therefore, it's likely that this stock will be able to move that much again in the future, especially given that the price is more expensive now. This is DNMR. Okay, so this is a scientific company. Okay, so it's Danmer Scientific. And this company is, again, valued by the banks, and that's really all that matters. There is some other numbers that we can go into, such as the earnings per share, the revenue, the growth of the company. However, the main thing is that institutions, banks, they value this company, and therefore it's worth our time to trade this company if we can get it at a good price. So this is DNMR. So we have DNMR, we have TMBR, and then we also, BAER, and then finally we have TMBR. Now, TMBR was called out to pro students. Okay, I'll leave the link in the description so you can join the Discord and you can stop missing out on the best trades. I do all of the due diligence and research for you, so you don't have to worry about that. I tell you where to buy and where to sell, which is why we have over 29 students who are right now in our pro group. And this TMBR stock, okay, if we can pick this one up around $2.30, okay, I can see this thing going down as low as $2.30, then this could be a really solid trade. So not only can we sell it at $2.47 before it hits $2.50 again, but we can also sell it at $2.75 if it breaks that level, okay, and I really do want it to hold above that level. And we actually were able to take a trade on this stock already, okay, calling it out at around $2.65, and it went to $2.75, which may not seem like much until you consider that that's about 5% increase, meaning that if you're trading with $10,000, you would make $500 before the market even closes. So this is our stock, TMBR, and we want to sell it at $2.75, $2.93, and then if that level breaks, $3.09. And that is my last price target for TMBR, although this thing can technically go all the way up to $3.44. So use these stocks and these charts and this technical analysis to make some money in the stock market tomorrow. I don't typically give everyone my premium stock picks, but today, I know it's Sunday. I want you to watch these stocks. I want you to see these stocks. And when you're ready to make some real money consistently in the stock market, I am the greatest technical analysis trader which you will ever find, which is why my channel has grown so much to over 6,000 subscribers in the first year. Now, I'm just here to help you. This is my main job, is being able to help you make money and trade successfully in the stock market. I'm your day trading coach. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time.